Hi everyone, I'm Anil Sir, your guide at Student Care Center. Get ready for engaging, informative, and fun filled educational videos that will make learning a breeze. Join me on this exciting journey as we dive into the fascinating topics together. So let's get started.
Welcome, fellow explorers, to our newest adventure. Today we embark on an exciting journey, a journey through the mesmerizing world of solid shapes. This isn't just a voyage of discovery, but a path to understanding the beauty and complexity of the world around us. Imagine every object you see, every building you pass by, every piece of art you admire, they all boil down to solid shapes. From the simplest one-dimensional lines to the most complex three-dimensional polyhedra, they all occupy space in their unique ways. So buckle up as we delve into this fascinating world of dimensions, where we'll decode the magic of visualizing solid shapes, explore their omnipresence in our day-to-day lives, and learn to appreciate the mathematical marvel that they truly are. Let's get started on this 3D animated journey. Have you ever thought about the importance of visualizing solid shapes in our daily lives? Whether it's designing a skyscraper or understanding the intricate molecular structure in chemistry, solid shapes are omnipresent, silently shaping our world. These shapes are not just confined to the realm of science and architecture. They also find their place in the heart of creativity and art, driving the aesthetics of sculptures, paintings, and even graphic designs. Let's dive into the fascinating world of solid shapes. Simply put, solid shapes are objects that occupy space. They may be one-dimensional, like a line, two-dimensional, like a square, or three-dimensional, like a cube. Each dimension adds a layer of complexity, transforming a simple line into a polygon and further into a polyhedron. So, the next time you hold an object, take a moment to appreciate the complexity of its shape, because it's more than just a shape, it's a mathematical marvel. Now that we understand how vital solid shapes are, let's delve deeper into their fascinating world. Imagine a line, the most basic of all shapes. This one-dimensional figure stretches in one direction only, with no breadth or depth. But if we extend this line in a direction perpendicular to itself, we get a two-dimensional shape, like a square or a circle. These shapes have length and breadth, but still they lack depth. Now let's add another dimension. If we extend a square or a circle in a direction perpendicular to its plane, we get a three-dimensional shape, like a cube or a sphere. These shapes have length, breadth, and depth, giving them volume and making them tangible. Fascinating, isn't it? But the world of shapes doesn't stop there. Let's introduce some more complex terms. A face is any flat surface of a solid object. Edge is where two faces meet. Vertex is the point where three or more edges meet. And base is usually the face on which the shape rests. A polyhedron is a solid object with flat polygonal faces, straight edges, and sharp corners or vertices. A prism is a polyhedron with two parallel and congruent faces known as bases, and other faces are rectangles. A pyramid is also a polyhedron, but with one base and triangular faces that meet at a common vertex. Mapping is a process that helps us understand how the faces, edges, and vertices of a solid shape correspond to each other. It's like unfolding a box to see how all its parts connect. Finally, let's talk about convex and concave shapes. A shape is convex if all its interior angles are less than or equal to 180 degrees, and concave if at least one of its interior angles is more than 180 degrees. With this knowledge, you can look at the world around you with a new perspective, seeing the hidden geometry in everything. So, we've taken a whirlwind tour of the world of solid shapes. But that's just the beginning. We've explored the fascinating realm of solid shapes, understanding why they're so crucial in our daily lives. We've delved into the distinction between one-dimensional, two-dimensional, and three-dimensional shapes, each adding an extra layer of complexity and intrigue. We've also introduced some more complex terms. Remember the polyhedron? That's a solid shape with flat faces. And the prism, a polyhedron with two identical ends and all flat sides. Not to forget the pyramid, with one base and triangular faces that meet at a point, the vertex. For more exciting insights into the world of math and science, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave a comment. If you need more help, feel free to contact Anil Sir at the Students Care Center. Remember, the world is full of shapes waiting to be explored.